Say what's happened.
I don't know. I said then.
What's happened? What's in your
Sunday. I did from Sunday.
You are from where?
I'm from Togo.
You are from Togo.
Yes,
Who
sir.
did the chief carry go Lagos?
Chief carried me Sunday.
On Sunday?
Yes, I did with him for years since Friday.
Okay. So what is going to happen?
He carry me go. No be me kill am.
Who come kill him?
If people don't come back like 4. I say they come na me dey kitchen. You go pass kitchen before go a big room. Before they see different room, mommy room, another room, visitor room for here. Don't at the kitchen for answer. I say they enter, they don't enter with kitchen. Remember, chief they enter with kitchen. Na kitchen he like they pass. They enter with this front door. I say they enter at the kitchen. I say that person open kitchen. I say who be that like this? Just blow my neck. I say blow my neck. Now he just dey draw me for down. He don't dey draw me for down. Say where chief? As me I no know say na chief they call am. Me and our guy they call am. He say where chief? I say who be chief? Chief no dey here. I say they rub me for down. Say where chief? I say chief dey inside the room. I say where he wife? I say wife don't come out now. I say wife don't come on. I say well chief room say if you are not talk true now if you are the lie say he go kill me with the hand no. That's why they see them they know they play. Now I say wetin be that wetin dey happen before I go tell her say wetin dey happen he don blow me again say I think say he dey play. I say he don blow me again. Now I say na chief room be that. I say na he say na chief room be that. He say okay. Now he don rub me enter the visitor room. I say rub me enter visitor room. He say me allow down there. I say allow down there. One carry wetin dey carry that
Knife?
no be knife. One carry small e be like knife man no be knife. I say he carry am. He say I dey see am. Say if you are playing now he go comot my head. So I dey see am. Now he say okay. They don't do one don't go the knack different room 2 days there 1 day with me for inside kitchen. Now that one won't come out. That's why God they tell am say if you leave me there say I go call people say me carry me come. I say the knack chief room. I say chief up now. Now they blow chief. Now chief he start the shout. Now I want shout. I want say if you shout now he run me enter chief room. Now he close door. He just they play music. They just they play the music. That time they lock any door for outside. They lock any door for outside. They just they play music. I say they just they play music. Now that one say, oh yeah, say me enter that place they put clothes. That place they put clothes. Now there won't carry me enter before. Now that one say no, say me carry me go toilet. Now there they start the blow chief. I say they blow her. They carry.
The blow waiting.
No, they don't. They first they blow am.
Blow am
with the hand. No, the first they blow am with the hand. Now they carry or two of
how
them.
you take me say that the blow you wait inside toilet?
If you do toilet, you go they look. You get a big glass for like this. You go they look anything they happen there. Now they carry and come meet me for toilet there. Tell him say if you are shoot I talk they go kill us. Say where money? They don't ask and say where money. He say no get money for you. Say money they and can say if they like you go transfer them. Say no. Say if they transfer them say they fit arrest them. Say may no transfer money. Say if you transfer they fit arrest. Say may bring money now. Say if you no bring am. Now there they don't they talk like play. What that one pull out. If first shook she for like this. As a shook and I shout. As I shout that one blow me.
Carry the knife.
Yes.
From where they carry the knife?
I don't know which place they carry the knife.
They carry the knife come. I be the knife dey in a place before. The knife dey your kitchen before.
The knife now they no carry knife come on. Now only
kitchen.
gas they carry something like gas. That gas police they use.
Pepper spray.
No.
gas.
No. Now they carry come. I say they carry up. Now I say they enter. They don't enter meet me for kitchen. Now that kitchen they carry. That's you are the talk. No be knife. Maybe like knife. May no be knife. Now I say carry that.
Strong. The thing is strong like this.
The thing is strong. I say we don't enter. I say shook am for inside the toilet. I say shook am. I won't shout. That one blow me. I say that one blow me. My neck, my body no good with that. At all. I say it blow me like that. Now I say I start dey shout, "Ow, aula, 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 aula."
Wetin be aula?
Na one fetish dey call like that. Aula, I say I don dey call her aula, 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 aula. Na that is say wetin I dey talk say wetin I dey talk na I just come my neck like this. Na dey carry my cloth. They comot anything. You no wear cloth. If you no wear cloth, e be like say you just wake up. They comot any my cloth. I say they comot my cloth. They carry hang am for neck first time. But blood don dey comot for
comot cloth wey you dey wear.
Yes.
So the cloth wey you dey wear, they come hang am for their own cloth body.
No, they comot my cloth. They come tie am for neck. They tie am like this first time. They tie am like this. Say if you know they talk, na here he go die. Say they go carry am go. They no go see am. Say they go wait for his wife. If his wife come, they go kill am again. I say, I do. He say, say me I think say I dey play. Say I be security. I be waiting. I say I no be security. I be cookman. As I say I go cookman. Say good. Say he go show me how they carry person meeting. They do. What did they call that meeting? Say he go show me. Now I say, oh, Oga, I beg. I don't come find money. I don't come find. Now he tell me, say, if you are not sabi do, say, he go kill me now. Now I shut up. Now they carry. I say, they tell Chief, say, he no go bring money. Chief say, money they inside the bag. He don't show them, say, money they bag. I say, they don't go carry money no plenty. I say, they carry and they say, if you no talk through where the remaining money stay, say, Chief say, he no get any money for, he can say, na account. Say, if they like, he go send them money now, make they leave him the life. Oh. Now he say, no. Say, no. Say, he no want bring money. And now I say, they tight him. They leave me for there. They don't go, they do like this. Now they say, if you no go talk, say, if you know the talk, they go kill him now. No. Say, no go talk. Now you no go talk. Now they don't carry him again for there. They carry him come out for sharp, that place in room go they come out and for toilet to go that side. After they come out and go that side, after they come out and do that, I don't know what I don't know say they kill him before I be he die for there. Now they carry him because as they carry him for my side for toilet, he no die. You see, I don't tell them say he go show them money, say he go give them.
How they going to go?
I said now they talk say that gate man, that gate man, he dey inside because madam don't come out. Madam just come out. You know they enter.
But the gate man they sleep when madam come back. Even when madam they on, the gate man no gree stand up to go open gate.
How you take come out for the house?
I just come out for now by gate man don't see me as I come out.
He see you.
He see me.
He see you as come out.
I just tell him. He just tell me say wait here. I say, you know see I say they shout for inside. Don't be you open the gate. Now they tell me say wait here. I say me go look inside. Now me I start the run. Now I run. He calling me now. He call me gate man. Call me.
How Oga phone take enter your house?
Oga phone. Now I call the picker call. I don't know any number again. Who I go call? I don't know any number again. Who I go call?
Now you carry your phone.
Yes, now I don't get any phone for hand because he tell me say if you want come in room, may I leave my phone for my room.
So
you no go your room, go carry your phone. Now Oga phone you carry.
Because I got the plenty. Oh, I said they come the plenty.
They say after they don't go finish.
Yes.
Your phone dey your room. Yes. Why you don't enter your room? Carry your phone, carry your own property. Wey be say na some of your Oga property you still can't carry again.
I dey fear.
Why you run in first place? What make you run?
Why you no wait for the madam?
Or go report.
I say I run. Me I want go tell madam. I want show madam for road. Say me no enter house because they tell me say if the madam come they go kill her. First time before I go run, I start the checker. I check me I see and say. I don't dey check say I go see and say the day down I be the no day down because now up to date. I say I follow talk. Now you come dey talk say what did they have? Me I go tell her police. I see one boy for road, one security man. I don't tell her say na like this. People dey my back, they won't kill me. Oh, say they won't kill me. Oh, I dey ask and say, police. I don't know anywhere for there. I never come out for there.
So your clothes, the clothes where they take the cook, your apron waiting at the corner. Yes. So where they cook? Why waiting? Why our blood take reach am and waiting the cloth they do for toilet?
Now they carry, not for toilet they do us that thing. Now they carry tie oga hand the first time. They tie
So
am
that
like this.
cloth now make blood stay now. Where
No, I say they carry hook and connect. He never die in that toilet. The hook and connect. Say the one hook and with the child for house. He do am like this. Say he no go talk. Say when money no go talk. Now they come out that cloth. They throw am like this. Now that one, he blow am again. Say make come out. He come out and carry am go. He carry am go.
so
outside.
since that day wey the thing happen, who you don report to?
I tell plenty people for there. I tell plenty
For
people.
Lagos.
Yes, before I run, now one motor. Now yesterday I reach this town.